Yeah. People love this system. Like you said, the convenience. And yeah, now you see you didn't need a whole new floor.
No.
Yeah,
because it would have been a mess tearing the whole thing out, putting new one in.
This is an engineered floor. So it's for a new floor. I don't know if you got a quote, but I'm gonna guarantee you a new floor. You probably been looking about anywhere from 8 to 10 grand.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
right.
Yep. 8 to 10 grand. And here it is today, less than 2,000 in 1 day.
I know. It's wonderful. No mess, no fuss.
No mess, no fuss.
That's terrific.
Thank you.
Oh my. Looks like I moved into a new home.
I appreciate that, Miss Susan.
Oh my.
All right, guys. I'm done. Floors are UV cured. Client is very, very happy.
I'm so glad I had this done.
Thank you, Miss
I
Susan.
have not liked my floor for about 5 years.
What? Wow.
It just didn't stand up.
Wow. And you got some good coating on here too. Yep, you got some really good coating.
Before you go,
Oh yeah.
how should I clean this?
I'll show you what to use.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
That's
Yes,
what I
ma'am.
say.
And Miss Susan, you originally found me on Google, right? How did you originally find me?
I went to Google.
Went to Google, yep.
Yeah.
Well, thank you.
Our engineered floor refinishing near me,
Okay.
and you popped up.
That's what most people do. The near me, because I use Google Analytics, and that's what most people do. They'll do hardwood floor refinishing near me, wood floor refinishing companies near me, but near me is very popular.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
is.
Most people don't even use the cities. Like you would think someone would use like hardwood floor refinishing Brazelton, because most people don't think there's a lot of companies in Brazelton, so they'll do near me. And
Yes.
yep. And see, I'm in Lawrenceville, so it'll pull me from Lawrenceville out here.
Actually, I looked up about 12 companies online, looked at the pictures, looked at all the reviews, and yours was the best.
Out of 12 companies.
Because I have a paper with them on them.
Wow.
Checked them off and starred the ones that looked good. So,
Well, thank you. That makes me feel good. I got chose out of 12 companies.
yes, you did. It took some time to do that, too.
Yeah. But you know, that's good though, because that's what a lot of people don't do. It's called research. Do your research so you know what you're getting. Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Yep. And that's what you did. You did your research. Hey, what's up, guys? Today is July. Oh, he's washing my van for real. Today is July the 30th. I am out here in Brazelton, Georgia. This is a new client, Miss Susan, her husband Dennis. I just met Dennis. I initially did the consultation with Miss Susan, and what Miss Susan told me when I came out, she did pay for her in-home consultation. She said, Courtney, I had another company come out, and from the time they pulled up, she said, I knew I was not going to go with them because they were not professional. So she ended up finding me on Google, watched some of my videos, already knew what the process was. And what I'm doing here today, guys, is a screen recoat with UV cure. It's about 460 square feet. I also went and did an in-home consultation this morning in Snellville that went very, very well. So, man, I can't believe, guys, we're almost out of July. So Mr. Dennis actually is giving me a courtesy car wash. He's actually washing my van down for me. So let me flip this around and show you guys what I got going today. All right, guys, so I am in Brazelton, Georgia, beautiful neighborhood. My client, Dennis, he's the husband of this beautiful home. They have engineered floors. There's Dennis right there. He's actually washing my van. All right, guys, so let me show you what I'm doing. And I love when my clients choose me because of my professionalism, my online presence, my reviews. I actually went and did a consultation yesterday, and she already said she had got cheaper quotes. And I do tell people, man, you know, everybody's different, but if you're looking for the cheapest, it's definitely not going to be Truman. So guys, if you look at her floors, you see all these scuff marks, all these micro scratches all over, smudge marks. It's just time for a good recoat. So what I'm doing is this area right here, they got all the furniture moved out the way around this beautiful kitchen island here. And I just tested different pads. And here I am going to tape off the carpet, and then coming in through the garage, and then over here in this foyer. And you can see I've already started. All right, guys, so I'm getting a great abrasion on this floor, and then I'm going to vacuum, clean and tack, put down the coating, go off for a few hours, come back UV cure. All right, guys. So you told her what now?
Get the best person you can.
Get the best. I like that. And I want to ask her too, because she did tell me when I came out and did the consultation. She said, Courtney, I had another company come out, and she said from the time they pulled up, she said I knew I wasn't going to use them. She said they were not professional. Wow. I like that. You get the best person you can. That's what I'm talking about. I think the same way. You know, a lot of times. Don't get me wrong. I know everybody looks at things different, but I'm the type of person I've got an point to in my life, Dennis. I like to get the best my money can buy. That's why I do my research. And if I feel like I'm going to get the best and my pockets can afford it, because one thing I've learned, and you probably know this because you've been around longer than I have.
77 years.
77 years. Sometimes when you go cheap,
Oh, that's what you get.
that's what you get.
In fact, we had just had a new roof put on. Another neighbor of mine had one put on, and he was going to try to go cheap and try to get $2,000-3,000 out of the deal and hire a cheaper company.
Yep.
And I said, God, first of all, they got you the job. They put the new roof on. They discovered it. You wouldn't even know about it if it weren't for them.
Exactly.
And so you're kind of cheating them out of it. And the other thing is, that's just punk ass cheap shit.
Yeah, exactly.
You're going to get a crappy job. If
You want to thank you.
Yep.
I tell people, I try to educate people, tell them, as service providers, when you ask for a discount or you try to go cheap, trust me, they're going to shortcut. They're going to they're going to make up for that. They have to.
Yeah.
They have to. And that's why, again, with the internet and social media and YouTube and ChatGPT, I tell people, just take your time to do a little research so you know what you're getting.
Yeah.
Because I do say this, as the consumer, sometimes the consumer has to take fault. Because, because what it is, people, that old saying, you have champagne taste, but you want beer money.
Yeah, beer budget.
Beer budget, something like that. And that's what a lot of consumers don't understand. Like, you guys, you ask for this, but you want the highest standards, and it just don't work that way.
For the lowest price.
For the lowest price. It just doesn't work that way.
You normally you get what you pay for.
You get what you, there you go.
Not 100%, but 99.8.
You get what you pay
Once in a
for.
while you luck out and get something really good for cheap.
Yep.
Doesn't happen very often.
Doesn't have to thank you. I'm glad. Yep. All right, guys. That's great. The in-home consultation for tomorrow. He was actually referring to me by another company. Said he gave me a phone book, and they're no longer in business. I do remember guys too. They were talking about me, talking about tomorrow. He's going to be in-home consultation for and Sandy Springs. All right, guys. We get this for vacuum. Clean it, coat it, stay tuned. All right, guys. Got the finish down. Floors came out great. Now I'm doing the UV cure. And what can I say? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and finish UV curing the floor, starting with the foyer first. Then I'm going to call my client up, let them take a look at it. The husband, Mr. Dennis, has already seen it. Susan has not seen it, but I'm going to let Miss Susan come up and take a look at it and get her response. All right, guys. Yep, stay tuned. At the speed of light. Yes, sir. Yep, Miss Susan's coming on up. Well, it came out so good. No more scuff marks. Here she come. Come and take a look. You like a new floor?
Oh my goodness.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh. It's new.
Remember all those scuff marks and all those scratches everywhere?
I know.
Going.
Beautiful.
Yep.
You should leave us a card or two. So
I definitely will.
We have I'm sure a lot of other neighbors have got the same thing.
Yeah.
All these homes are like
Got these wood floors. So yeah, I'll leave you some of my brochures.
Okay.
Thank you, Dennis.
Great.
Thank you.
This is really nice.
Thank you, Miss Susan.
Oh my goodness.
And you know one thing, I greatly appreciate you hiring me, giving me the opportunity. Because me and Dennis was talking about this. Because remember when I first did the in-home consultation,
Right.
and you said that one company showed up, and you said from the bat you knew you were not going to hire
That's
them
right.
because they were not professional.
Right.
And that's one thing that I try to teach other contractors is people, especially people who are looking for quality. they look at your presentation first.
Yes.
You know, they just don't look at the price. And that's what me and Dennis said. He said, I told my wife to hire the best.
Yes.
So thank you so much.
I actually called another company,
Uh-huh.
and they basically just did not ever call me back.
Wow. And that's another complaint I get. Well, not complaint, but that's another thing I hear. They say, Courtney, I call these companies and they don't even call me back.
That's crazy.
That is crazy. And you know, it makes me feel a little awkward, but also good, because I'm like, I'm an owner operator.
Yes.
And I answer my own phones. And you have these companies that like, or they say, well, Courtney, they call me back 3-4 days later and it was too late. Yeah.
That's exactly right.
Wow.
So that's two, and then you.
So too, wow. Thank you so much. All
Two
right.
bad ones, one good one.
Thank you. I thank you, Miss Susan.
Nice.
Yep. These floors came out amazing.
Very nice.
Yep. So I'm going to help Mr. Dennis put the table back, and he said you guys will put everything about tomorrow.
We will.
Yep.
All right.
All right, guys. See you in the next one.